Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of the 7th of October, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.46. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.2%. This equates to an average return of 2.1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If there is a break above the upper trend line at $23.47, it will first indicate a slower rate of decline and may also serve as the initial sign of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 35.28% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between negative 59.78% and negative 34.85%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a negative change of 43.28% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 59.30% and negative 21.65%. This translates to a price range of $9.49 to $18.27 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Intel stock price up 4.2% on Tuesday. The Intel stock price gained 4.2% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, rising from $22.38 to $23.32. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.21%, with a day low at $22.05 and a day high of $23.42. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but it is still up by 2.24% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 3 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 57 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest price was $18.51. Currently, the price is 54.52%, or $27.96, below the 52-week high, and 66.34%, or $45.97, below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $69.29. Intel Corporation continues to navigate a challenging market landscape, highlighted by a recent contract worth $3 billion linked to the CHIPS Act, indicating strong governmental backing. This deal, along with Intel's ongoing recovery strategy that involves a substantial focus on artificial intelligence, positions the company for potential growth. Analysts are optimistic, forecasting a significant earnings rebound by the year 2025, driven by innovations in custom AI chips and robust research and development investment. However, Intel faces intense competition, particularly from market leaders Nvidia and AMD, which have recently outperformed the semiconductor giant. KeyBank analysts expressed mixed sentiment about Intel's quarterly supply chain performance, underscoring ongoing fundamental challenges that may impact investor confidence in the short term. In addition to competitive pressures, Intel's stock has experienced considerable volatility, including a near 40% drop, followed by a rebound. With its price-to-book ratio at a 30-year low, the stock appears compelling from a valuation standpoint, hinting at potential upside in the long term if the company can effectively implement its turnaround plans. Overall, while the recent partnerships and strategic pivots present optimistic long-term growth prospects, the current operational hurdles and competitive landscape may temper short-term stock performance. Investors should weigh these factors carefully as they consider Intel's stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel a grade of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark rated Intel with a buy grade and recommended to hold. On the same day, Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Wolfe Research gave Intel a grade of reduce, along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned Intel an underperform grade with a suggestion to hold. On that same day, Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Exane BNP Paribas also rated Intel as underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. Intel stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support will come from levels around $22.73 and $21.19. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and so far, the stock has increased by 23.45%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 134 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 142 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.84 and $21.48. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Intel finds support just below today's level at $21.84. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.48 and $21.47. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.37 between its high and low, representing a 6.21% change. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.99%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at a negative 3 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.54. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, 2024, Yeri Frank D. made an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. Also on the 27th of September, Eshraq Omar made an insider purchase of 1,306,985 shares of phantom stock units. On that day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe also bought 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. Earlier, on the 31st of August, 2024, Gowell Scott conducted an insider sale of 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 1.629. In total, insiders purchased 440,463 shares and sold 421,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.23, representing a decline of 4.66%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher risk. There is currently a buy signal following a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing promise. Although the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, we believe this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of October, we anticipate Intel will open lower, down 39 cents, starting at $22.93. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.